Hello, the Chef George from the Events by George Catering Company. Today, let's cook shrimp Oriental style, Chinese style, with broccoli and other vegetables and soy sauce. Ingredients for the shrimps Chinese styles. We have 2 spoons of butter, broccoli, celery, carrots, soy sauce, shrimps, and complex seasoning. We have the little complex seasoning for the shrimps, just a little, because the soy sauce is a little salty and we prefer that. Don't put too much salt in the preparation. We start to saute the vegetable. We add the butter first, 2 spoons of butter, and a little bit of olive oil, just a little. Just a little. We add the celery. We add the carrots. We mix all. We need to saute a little bit this because it's the heart of the rest of the ingredients. We add the broccoli. Mix together, all together. And in this point, we add the soy sauce. We mix again all together. And finally, we put the shrimps. We add the shrimps. We mix all together. The shrimps in 5 minutes are ready. For this reason, we add at the end of the preparation, always. This recipe is delicious. Smells very nice and it's nice, super. After 5 minutes, look how delicious, look beautiful. Now we'll make the presentation for the client. This is the final result for the Oriental or Chinese shrimps. It's very simple recipe, very easy, but have an excellent flavor too. And hope that you like, share. Your comments always very important for us. And we make any kind of food with any kind of events. Thank you so much.